Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel.
When a woman is pregnant, there are a lot of questions that comes in her mind that are often related with the well-being of baby in the womb or maybe related to her health. So in this video, I will tell you the most frequently searched questions on the internet by a pregnant woman. The number one query is, can pregnant women eat so and so? So this is a question whenever you are going to eat some food, you always have a doubt in your mind that can you eat this food or not. So friend, there are a lot of things you need to be careful of. Some fruits like papaya, pineapple, black grapes and sapota are amongst the category you should avoid all throughout your pregnancy because this somehow hampers the development of the baby in the womb. So this is a broad category. This is a very nice idea to explore the benefits and demerits of anything before eating it during pregnancy. The second question is about the bleeding. Sometimes when a pregnant woman goes to the toilet and she finds that she has some drops of blood coming out, she gets very anxious. And the question comes in her mind that if the baby in the womb is fine or not. So friend, in this context, you should understand that if the bleeding is not in large amount, then it's not a matter of that much concern. But if the bleeding is very much heavy and you can also find some lumps in the bleeding, then you should go and see your doctor as soon as possible. However, if you can only find some drops of blood is only coming out, then it can be considered bit normal. The third question is, can I have sex during pregnancy? So friend, this is a question and the answer depends upon your condition, your status of pregnancy, whether you are on a high risk pregnancy, whether your pregnancy is going normal, and what is the month you are in. So during the initial months of pregnancy, it is not considered good to make relation with your partner. However, in later months of your pregnancy, you can go for the safe sex. However, this point needs to be validated from your doctor. Only after the consent of your doctor or gynecologist, you should go for any such relationship. Fourth is, can I eat dry fruits during pregnancy? And friend, the answer is yes, you can, but it also depends upon your time of pregnancy, the month you are in, and whether your pregnancy is high risk pregnancy or not. So friends, if everything is going normal, you can definitely go for dry fruits. Dry fruits are considered very good during pregnancy. They have ample of nutrients that are needed for the development of baby in the womb. But again friends, like everything you're eating, you need to take care, you need to understand the limit. That is very much important. So friend, when you are in your first trimester, try to restrict the amount of dry fruits because they are having the hot potency, and due to which the chances of miscarriage increases if you eat lots of dry fruit in your first trimester, that is the first, second and third month of pregnancy. And in the later stages, you can definitely increase the limit. So you can start with mixing everything, mixing all the dry fruit and take only 1 palmful of dry fruit out of it. This you can take in the initial 3 months, and for the best result, just soak them overnight and eat them as a first snack in the morning. And once the first trimester is over, after 4 months, you can increase the amount slowly. Fifth most searched query is, how much she needs to drink water in a day? And the answer is quite simple. You need to drink at least 8 to 10 glassful of water per day to keep your body hydrated, to flush out the toxins from your body and to maintain the water level in the amniotic sac. And one point to note here is that drinking more water is also harmful. So just restrict the quantity to 8 to 10 glass per day only. Sixth query is, how to get a fair baby? So this is something that is related to the beauty of your child, and every mother wants a baby angel. This is the reason why this query is highly searched on Google. And the answer is quite simple. The color of the baby highly depends upon the parents' genes. If you are fair in color, so there are more chances that the baby will be fair in color only. It also depends upon the family tree and the hereditary skin color, which can come from any side, maternal or paternal side. However, this is not in our control and it cannot be controlled by eating some specific food or fruits, because there is no fact to support the theories like drinking coconut water will make your baby fair or eating oranges or citrus food will make the baby fairer. It totally depends upon the genes, how it works, and scientifically there is no proof that it can be improved by your eating habits. Number seventh question is how to get the intelligent baby or the baby that is having a high IQ level. And definitely it all depends upon the type of food you're eating, the balanced diet you're taking, and dry fruits you're including, the content like omega-3 fatty acid that you can find in dry fruits as well as you can find in seafoods like fish. And there are a lot of vegetarian diet as well you can opt for that is very much helpful for the mental development of the baby in the womb. The seventh most searched question is, can a pregnant woman climb the stairs or not? So friend, it also depends upon the month of pregnancy you are in. Initially, you can definitely climb the stairs. There is no problem in it. During first trimester, if you are climbing the stairs, there is no problem. But as your baby increases in the womb and your bump gets heavier, then at that moment you lose your balance. And if you are climbing the stair without the support, there are more chances that you can fall down, and this could lead to some serious complications. So whenever you are climbing the stair, you have to be extra cautious. You need to take the support and then climb the stairs. During 7 to 8 month, try to avoid climbing the stairs because this is not good for you. In the 9 month, you can again resume climbing the stair. This can be a good exercise for you as well. The eighth question that is searched more often is about the abdominal pain, because the pregnant woman is confused whether this is the labor pain or this is a false labor. Usually this question comes when you are having your 7th month onward, because the probability of delivery increases after the 6th month. In some cases, even in the 7th month, the baby is delivered, and that kind of baby is called premature baby. So the abdominal pain is sometimes associated with the fear that the baby delivery has approached. So you need to understand that there is one thing, false labor, and another thing is true labor. The false labor will be a bit milder. It will not be having a constant frequency. It will come, it will diminish, and it will go. And it will again come, but not after a regular interval. However, if it is a true labor, then you will feel the intensity very high. It will be very acute pain in your stomach with a frequency of 10 minutes. This pain is not going to dwindle away. The intensity will remain constant. So this is a true labor pain, and you will feel true labor pain mostly in the 9th month of your pregnancy when your estimated date of delivery is approaching. So every abdominal pain or the stomach pain is not the labor pain. The 9th most searched question is the secretion of liquid from the breast. So friend, you need not to be worried about it. This can happen anytime after the 4th month of pregnancy. Sometimes it happens earlier as well, and this is the preparation by your body for breastfeeding your baby. So this is quite normal. Sometimes you can also find the blackening around the nipple. This is also quite normal thing. You need not to be worried about it. The 10th question is about water breakage. So this happens normally during the last month of pregnancy when your delivery is near. You will find that the huge amount of water is coming from the vaginal area, and you will be anxious what it is. So friend, this is the water breakage, and this is the sign which tells you to run to the hospital as soon as possible, because this is the rupture of the amniotic sac, and it says that the delivery is only few hours ahead. So friend, these are all the 10 most searched questions by a pregnant woman on the internet.
If you have found this video informative, do press the like button, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and then select all to never miss an updates and notifications from Health Tricks and Tips in English. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.